uniformly acceleration. For uniformly accelerated motion, if a velocity time graph is made, then that graph will be a straight line inclined to the x-axis. And also it is given that the body is starting from rest. From rest means that line, VT graph must start from the origin. So that will, it moves 2 seconds. It moves 2 seconds. So after this much, 5 seconds, after 5 seconds, it moves 2 seconds with the uniform velocity. With the uniform velocity. So 5 seconds it is accelerating, uniformly accelerating. After that, the next 2 seconds, the body is moving uniform velocity. So 2 conditions over. With the velocity 50 meter per second. Okay, 50 meter per second. Then it retards. Then it retards. Then it retards uniformly. That also uniformly. Then it retards uniformly and it comes to rest. And comes to rest. Rest in 3 seconds. Very simple, 3 seconds. Draw a VT graph. That is the question. Draw a VT graph. VT graph you have already explained. And find the total distance. And find total distance. Total distance traveled to the body. So we'll make a velocity time graph. That is asked here. This is 0 seconds. Velocity time graph, time is along the x-axis and velocity is along velocity. Velocity is along the y-axis. Time, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7, 8, then what? 9, then what? 10 seconds. Okay? Next. Next velocity. Velocity here it is 10 meter per second. Then it is 20 meter per second. Again 30 meter per second. Again 40 meter per second. Again 50 meter per second. 60 meter per second. 70 meter per second. Like that it goes, right? So in this case of 5 seconds, after 5 seconds, 5 seconds means this condition. After 5 seconds, the body is traveling with a uniform acceleration. With what velocity? 50. So like that the graph is made. So this is the condition, right? That means up to 5 seconds the body is traveling with a uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration when a body moves, velocity time graph will be a straight line inclined to the x-axis. Then the question arises, why this velocity time graph is starting from the origin? Because it is given in the question that the body is starting from rest. Therefore, velocity, initial velocity t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Right? Okay. Then when it is up to 5 seconds, the body is traveling with a uniform acceleration. What is the acceleration? That acceleration is equal to what? 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square acceleration the body is moving. Why it is a straight line inclined? You understand. After 5 seconds, the next 2 seconds, the body is, next 2 seconds means 5 to 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, 5 to 7 seconds, the body is moving with the uniform velocity. What is the velocity? 50 meter per second velocity. This is an accelerated motion, but this motion is what? This motion is uniform motion. This is uniformly accelerated motion. Up to 5 seconds, uniformly accelerated motion, and the next 2 seconds, uniform velocity motion. Okay. Then the body is retarding uniformly. When the body is retarding uniformly and it comes to rest after 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3 seconds. So this is the graph we have drawn for, right? Okay. This is the velocity time graph. Velocity time graph can be used for 2 purposes. One is to find acceleration, right? Suppose this is the velocity time graph. The slope of the velocity time graph is acceleration. And also, a velocity time graph can be used to find displacement or distance traveled also by finding the area under the velocity time graph. This much area this velocity time graph is covering. The whole area calculate, then that will be the displacement of the body from 0 to 10 seconds. When the journey ends, what is the total distance traveled is given by total distance. I'm writing here. Answer. Total distance. Total distance is equal to area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium, this makes a trapezium only, na? This VT graphs makes a is a trapezium. The shape is like a trapezium, right? VT graph, the area under the VT graph is equal to displacement. Therefore, this is equal to half into half. Suppose this is O, and this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Right? Okay. This point is A1, you will take. This point is B1, you will take. Am I correct? Yeah. So this is the parallel sides. AB and OC are the parallel sides, and A1 is the height or the distance between the two parallel lines. Therefore, area of the trapezium is equal to sum of the parallel sides, half into sum of the parallel sides into the distance between two. That is half into sum of the parallel sides means OC plus AB. OC plus AB into the distance between. You can take this. That means AA1 or BB1. AA1 is equal to 50. See, AA1 is equal to what? 0 to 50. That is 50 only. AA1 you will write. AA1, right? Therefore, this is equal to half into OC. OC is equal to what? OC is in this figure it is OC half into OC is equal to 10 plus AB is equal to what? AB is equal to this much. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Into A1 is equal to 50. Into 50 you will write. Okay. Calculating this, you will get this as equal to, this is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And 6 into 50 is equal to 300 meters. So very simple question like this. So many questions are explained in the book, given in the book. You have to find this kind of simple questions and practice. Then you will surely get confidence, and also interest also will be increased. When you try a question without seeing the answer, try yourself and by yourself when you do the question and get the answer, you will be very happy, and the interest also will be increasing, right? This kind of questions will bring more questions will bring the other days, and also we will go with the new topics further, right, in the next classes. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.